Hello everyone, welcome to Qondle Technology. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to get quick tips for a LinkedIn post with ChatGPT. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Qondle Technology. So let's get started. You know that writing effective LinkedIn post with ChatGPT can help you share insights, build your brand, and engage your network. A well-crafted prompt ensures your content is professional, valuable, and attention-grabbing. Now I'm gonna show you some structure with some point along with example prompt. So let's go. Number 1. Define the purpose of your post. Here you have to clearly stating your goal helps ChatGPT generate a post that aligns with your message and audience. Example prompt. Write a LinkedIn post about the importance of networking for career growth. Let's check the answer. You'll find the best answer from ChatGPT. The next one, number 2. Ask for a strong hook and key takeaways. A strong hook grabs attention, while structured takeaways make your content easy to digest. Example prompt. Create a LinkedIn post on leadership skills with an engaging opening and 3 key takeaways. Here is your result. ChatGPT can provide you the best result. The last one, number 3. Specify the tone and post length. ChatGPT can adapt the tone, formal, motivational, and conversational based on your request. Example prompt. Generate a concise and inspiring LinkedIn post on personal branding in a professional tone. So, let's see the answer together. Here is your result. So, by refining your prompts, you can create LinkedIn posts that stand out and spark meaningful conversations. Experiment with different formats to find what works best for your audience. I hope you like this video. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.